Hello guys, welcome to 2025. This is my first video in 2025 and I'm here to share some experiences that Forex showed me in 2024 and in the past years. So the world of Forex trading is a vast one and you cannot just come and climb the ladder smoothly. Yeah. So, and I do not expect you to assume or reason that forex is a smooth journey. When I first joined the industry, I was thinking it was a straight journey, but you know, I had to adjust myself. I had to bring myself and fine tune to the level at which I can best grow in the industry. So, I promise you, when you stay tuned to watch this video to the end, you will learn a lot, a whole lot that you have never learned before. You will learn a whole lot because I'm here to share you real experience, not a roadside experience, not a copy and paste experience, not a cooked experience. Here is a life experience in my trading journey. Here is a life experience that I've actually passed through, and I must tell you, you don't just experience a thing like that. You experience, and what happens after experiencing it, you learn from it. And I bet you don't want to know what I've learned from it. But when you stay till the end of this video, you are definitely going to know and finally get to understand what I actually learned in the industry in the past few years and especially in 2024. Thank you. So, moving on, let's begin. So, my first experience in 2024 with forex trading is that I've not even had experience before, but all this set of new experiences are strange, and I've not experienced them in forex trading before. You don't want to experience one thing in 2022 and come and see that there are even stranger things and scarier things to experience in 2024. Now, the first thing I experienced was discipline. My discipline level was really, really poor. I thought discipline in forex trading is what would actually make you successful. But at some point, I discovered that to even be disciplined is actually a skill. Yeah, when they ask for your CV and they ask for your skill, and you do not put discipline, just know that you do not put that you have a discipline skill, a skill of being disciplined rather. Just know that something is wrong, because I tell you, there's something that drives it. If you are not consistent at it, you can be disciplined for a second, you can be disciplined for a minute, you can be disciplined for a day, but can you be disciplined for a week? Can you be disciplined for a month? These are the experiences Forex showed me, and I bet you don't want to hear this. So, one thing I learned where Forex messed me up is discipline. I thought I was very good. I thought I was becoming, I was up and doing until I discovered that my discipline level is actually low. I discovered that I actually snooze at some point, and I allowed my trading to get to me. I allowed it to get to me. I allowed it hit me up. I even allowed it control my emotions. And again, I will tell you, if you are not disciplined, if you do not want to be, you cannot have the patience to actually ride the industry for a long period of time. Yeah, I'm just about to kickstart my trading for the year 2025, and so far so good. I want to be documenting my journey online and my life online rather, and I actually will continue to do that. So the second thing, guys, the second thing I learned, the second experience Forex showed me is emotional resilience. Now, it's not about are you a forex trader, you're a forex trader. The question is, do you really have the emotions to handle losses? Do you have the emotions to handle losses? I practically took lots of losses in the year 2024, and I didn't take direct losses though, but the issue that came up, which you will also hear at the end of the day, is what I want you guys to learn from. The issue that came up is what I want you guys to learn from. Do not be like me in that aspect, and do not engage unnecessary um, in unnecessary things. Yes, at the beginning of the year, it was smooth, and it was very smooth and looking like a consistent thing. I was riding it well. I was riding the forex market well, perfect and smooth, until something came up. Something really came up, and that was why I decided to pick emotional resilience. If you are not resilient emotionally, you cannot actually strive. So the other lesson forex taught me was that you should not trade for anybody if you are not ready. And again, you should not have investors that you cannot manage. Yeah, do not trade for anybody who is not ready. You should not. So that was what really, really struck me. Yeah, I had people that I actually hold in high esteem come to me to trade for them, and because of my ability to say no, I actually subscribe, and I tell you the outcome was a bad it was a bad outcome. I practically was struggling with these people's accounts until I had to just stop some kind of things. I had to put a stop. I was in agreement with some, I wasn't in agreement with some, and it was a really, really bad experience. Trade your personal money until you know you have the liquidity and enough capital to be able to trade others. You don't just trade for people, you must have the liquidity on ground. If somebody is saying, okay, please trade $5,000 for me, you should have something of such before you say, okay. You should even have more than that in liquidity. You should have more than that to be able to risk personally before you add that to your portfolio, before you add that to what you want to trade, because it's not advisable. It's not advisable for you to start trading with a capital you know is not you cannot replenish, you cannot refund. Yes. So trade from a point of abundance. You trade from a point of abundance. You don't trade from where someone is trying, and people when people engage you, they have too many expectations. They have much more expectations than you, but it's you that know your why, and it's you that you are the real market yourself. You are the one taking the losses. You are the one buying and selling, and you are the one taking the profit. So you should be able to set your own target realistically. I I actually did not manage my clients well last year, and I ended up blowing all their accounts. Yeah, I blew all their accounts. The ones I didn't blow their account, I had to stop trading with them. At some point at the beginning of the year, I engaged. I had one investor, which was going properly, which was going well, and I was trading with two other prop firms. I managed this investor till May. So when I noticed that I had bigger investors, I had to stop the other investor, and this affected me because the other investor now kept coming back to me because she had even made past double, our investment, and I, after making double our investment and everything, the account got blown. I blew the account, and I just have to tell her that, see, stop. I will invite you. I will inform you when I start trading back for you. So just, so I went on to get a bigger investor, and I started managing for them. And lo and behold, I was practically struggling. Even I could not even trade my real account. I was every day trying to meet up with drawdown and losses. So emotional resilience is one thing, and always, like I said, do not trade for investor when you know you are not ready, when you know you don't even have the time, when you know um you are not psychologically ready. Now, the other person is pressuring you, how far about my account, how far about my investment, and you are here telling them you are on it, you are working on it. So, guys, do not be caught up in that kind of situation. It's not a good thing for you. It's not a good thing for you. Do not be caught up in that kind of situation ever and ever again. Don't do like me, because this year now I have retired from taking trades that do not give me comfort, taking trade that I do not trade with, that I trade with serious emotions, because I practically do not trade with all those kind of emotions. So I've learned that that was my biggest experience Forex showed me in 2024. Biggest experience Forex showed me in 2024 was that you do not trade when you are not ready, and you should do not, and when things are going smoothly, when you are in a winning streak, everything you gathered, just be ready, you understand, to invest it back. Not 100% into the Forex industry, but just do one or two. Because at the end of the day, that's the only thing that will remain for you. Your account might be gone and you might lose it all, but you see your investment will still be there, sitting and waiting for you. So just remember to choose wisely, invest wisely in whatever you are doing. Are you getting me? Invest wisely in whatever you are doing. Be disciplined. I said disciplined. The lack of discipline too was another bad experience. At some point, if you know you are getting better, if you know you are making it, if you know you are good in it, you would need to step, you need to, go back to your drawing table always and always, to reset and to understand what is making you actually in this smooth ride. But if you do not go back to and be cautious of whatever is going on with yourself, and just assume that everything is happening the way it's happening because of your skillful ability, you just know that you will be set for an imbalance. You'll be set for a situation whereby you have to still come back. You come back to start regretting yourself. So now the big problem I'm having now is I've not declared anything to my investors. You can tell me exactly how I need to go about it in the comment section. I'll really appreciate it. I'll really appreciate. But I've not declared anything to them. They're just waiting for me to come out from my share and tell them exactly what is happening. They're just waiting for me to tell them and make my decisions ready. They're waiting for me to tell them this is how it is. You are getting a refund. This is how it is. You are getting your part of the losses back. This is how it is. You are getting, we are resetting. All this is how it is. Let's continue trading. Now I know they want to be positive. They want to hear positive news from me. They want to hear a good and better outcome from me. But the thing is, this same year, the big question is, are you still ready to trade for them? The, the answer is no. Reason why is I have to build on my own account. I have to be able to be accountable for my own trading first before I'm accountable for any other person's investment. So for now, the investors will need to be, calm about the whole thing. I'm going to manage the situation well and properly with them. Just know that I'm not running from anybody. Just know that I'm not avoiding anybody. And it's not a serious loss at all. Most of them still have their account live and direct. They still have their account live and direct, but I didn't just trade it because of my emotional imbalance, and I've actually incurred some drawdowns that I just know that the only thing to kill the trade with is to hit the market hard. Yeah, is to go hard, go all in, pew, or go all out, pew. That's just it. And if I do that, most of their accounts are gone and it will be flagged. You understand, which most of the time it happens like that. But please, guys, I'm still your boy doing FX. Hope you learned from my lessons. Hope you learned from my mistake. It's actually a beautiful thing. I must tell you, I'm so happy with myself. I'm so proud of everything that happened, and I'm so happy that I'm the one experiencing this. I'm so happy that nothing can give me joy than me managing a portfolio that I'm the real manager and nobody is experiencing this. It is only me that is telling, that is killing the whole thing. It's only me that is, you know, getting back to the clients. I have good clients that, you know, I will not want to fail them. Nine. I can't fail them. Oh. I know myself. I can't fail them. The only thing is, for this very year, I need to be alone because I have them marked. I'm not having new ones. I have them marked and I have them to, you know, answer to in the long run. So no issues at all. No issues at all, guys. The only thing is, do not do not take your experiences in Forex for granted. Never and never. So thank you, guys. It's your boy doing FX. Please and please hit the subscribe button and like this video and like other videos I've posted. There are so many things to learn from in my previous videos. Go and watch all those videos and get knowledge. Watch all those videos and know exactly where I'm coming from, where I am now, and where you think I'm going to. Drop everything in the comment section. Thank you so much. God bless you. One love.